You can find the Renault gearbox oil used in the video under the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. To access the drain nut, you have to lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You can then remove the plastic crankcase, if any, to access the gearbox oil plug. You can now see the gearbox oil plug. Be careful not to confuse the gearbox drain nut with the engine oil drain nut. Using an oil service spanner, release the oil plug and finish unscrewing by hand. Be careful on the last few turns, the oil can squirt out immediately. Anticipate this by placing a container underneath to collect the oil. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. Let the oil run out for 10 minutes or so. Replace the drain seal with a new one, then screw the plug back on by hand first, before finishing tightening it using the tool without over-tightening. It is now necessary to refill the oil in the gearbox. You have to be very careful and precise when doing this part of the job. First, put the crankcase back in place and put the car back on the ground, as gearbox oil is filled by overflow in this vehicle, so your vehicle must be level.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Slide under the vehicle on the driver's side of the gearbox and unscrew the gearbox oil filler wing nut plug by hand. Take a funnel inserted into a hose with a diameter smaller than the gearbox oil filler hole and insert the hose into the gearbox. You can find the Renault gearbox oil used in the video under the link in the description. Add oil intermittently due to the diameter of the tube. The oil level is achieved by overflow. The level is deemed perfect when the oil overflows from the hole. Once the required amount of oil has been added, remove the tube and screw the filler plug back on. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.